Welcome back to the channel. Before I start, we're gonna Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are working on Giuliana's room. We are renovating this whole entire room, trying to make it beautiful. But before further ado, we are welcoming my son, Brandon Harris. He's gonna be joining us today. My prep work back in the day. You ready?
Yeah.
What do you think about this, John? Think we can do it?
We can knock it out.
All right, let's go. Let's move it.
As you guys know, we are doing Giuliana's room, and Giuliana originally, when her and I were both looking at different ideas, and we came across some wallpaper that I really liked and that she really liked. So they're both two different ideas, but I wanted to obviously go with whatever she loved, and it was a blue ombre. I absolutely loved it, fell in love with it. I said, okay, well, we're gonna do it the way that you want, right, honey?
Yeah.
Because she said she liked sea turtles, so I was like, okay, let's do it that way. But in true Jenny style, I took her to Pinterest yesterday. She's my mini-me. I took her on Pinterest yesterday, and we came across some other pictures, which we'll show you guys the inspiration pictures. I showed her a bunch of pictures, and she ended up falling in love with this wall that kind of has like a rainbow, which again, you guys will see. So what we're doing is Greg is going upstairs to Giuliana's room and into that area where we're gonna be having this wall with the faux shiplap. He's measuring each section and he's giving them to me, and then I'm painting them. It's going up darkest to lightest, like an ombre. It's looking so good. So I'm so happy that we changed our minds because I'm loving it. Because this step is gonna take a while, because we're gonna be cutting and painting, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs so you guys can see it already started forming on the wall, and also so you guys can just get a picture of each color going up. It's gonna look so beautiful, so watch.
All right, so my wife did all the patchwork, beautifully done by my wife. Thank you so much, hon. And now let's get ready to sand.
All right, guys, so Greg has done so much already in this room. We got all the panels up. We put compounds to cover the holes, and he sanded them down, and now it's time to repaint. He also will be painting the walls. I will be doing this. And I just want to show you guys a trick that I found on Instagram that has helped me so much. So, because I'm switching the colors about 15 times, because there's 15 different colors, I found this hack on Instagram where you use an aluminum foil, and it's so much easier. You put however much paint, you paint the wall, and then to clean it up, take it out and throw it away and go on to the next color, and then you can use this as many times as you want. I know that for some people it's not expensive. I think it's like $9 a pack, but I'm trying to save some money. So, you know, $9 goes a long way over here in this house. So anyway, stay tuned because we're gonna be painting these walls, painting the sides, and then painting the wall. Let's get to work.
Julie, come here. Give me the car.
No, I gave you kids in the car.
You did?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Liar. Okay, help me.
All right.
A napkin.
Look, good. Look me on it. This one right here, okay? Good. Good job. Good job.
See, I am still clean.
And she's still clean. I'm clean, she says. Good job. Good job. No paint on you. Is that paint?
That's a mark.
Oh, you better get out of here. All right. She's good. Let's go.
Oh, you forgot to.
Yeah, I did forget that.
That
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
one. Your fault.
All right. You want to get dirty? Come on, you gotta go.
Bye.
Bye. All right.
Look how beautiful it looks. So I'm excited, it's coming together. The next thing that Greg's gonna do, I believe, is paint the rest of the walls. I tried to finish it up, but he needs to touch up some stuff there. Paint the ceilings, put the light up, switch electrical, change electrical, I'm sorry, and do the floors, and then we can start putting all her stuff in the room and fixing up her closet. But hopefully we can get this done sooner rather than later. We're tired. We're like really, really tired. So we are going to bed, and we will see you guys in the morning or sometime during the day on Monday.
All right, so now we get all the painting all squared away. I'm gonna jump on these floors. We have a lot of creaks underneath here, so I wanna rip up all the underlayment that's already here and expose anything that's wrong. And I think I found the board that's cracked, so I'm gonna get this up. Yeah, here we go. Cracked floor beam. Alright. So if you see a few other areas where I see I need to screw down, so I'm gonna rip up all the underlayment, I'm gonna get everything up. I'd rather get everything exposed so I can see where I need to fix it at. Oh man.
And guys, I tried to convince Greg to just screw it down.
See, look at this here.
Lordy Lord.
We got boards that we cannot put a floor over this. You see, this is right down. You can see the beams right. Look at this here. You see the beams right there. We have another problem right here. This is another problem here. See this right here? Can't put this. We gotta replace this. So the beams right here. Got another one here. I just put one in its place. But you see how much repair we gotta do. We're gonna keep on moving. All right, so I'm gonna start with this repair first. I see a beam here, and I see another beam right here. So I'm gonna rip it up, take this one up, put a new one down.
As you can see, these floors were originally nailed down, and it ends up getting loose, and there's a bunch of squeaks all over the floor. Well, not right now because we're screwing them down. But yeah, so wherever a nail is at, we're gonna be putting a screw so that it doesn't squeak and it's quiet, and I think it's already working, right, babe? Guys, you couldn't even, wow, babe, look, it's not even making nothing, no noise. So y'all hear this, right?
Mommy was screwing them in while Greg was picking us up for school.
Yeah. Helping my hubby. He works so hard, so. Teamwork makes the dream work, right, puppy?
She's doing good today.
Really? I painted this room. I painted this, okay?
All right, let's get to work, huh? He's getting it to the floor.
So earlier, wait, ouch! I hit my head again.
Oh my God.
You always recording.
That'll teach you a lesson, huh? All right, so we got all that done. So now we have our laminate flooring, Broughton oak. I love the color. My wife loves the color. And so after measuring this out, we're gonna start near the window.
So guys, we actually decided to go with the same floors that we did our family room. So then we can have the same floors throughout our house. I know that one part of our house has hardwood floors and then the other part of the house has laminate floors. But this is the best for kids and dogs. Right, baby?
Works really well. Right? No mess.
Yeah, it's the best for us.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get started.
Let's get moving.
I am so excited. It looks so good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, 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 yes. I mean, he's only done this area right here. I shouldn't say only because, I mean, the room is not that big, but it's looking so good, baby.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, so good.
I love it. And then obviously don't pay attention to that. We're gonna fix the walls and then crown molding. Right, honey?
Yes.
So this room is about to get a facelift. Greg is like, record.
I don't know. She was up there singing. I was like, when are you gonna record?
We were singing together. You see?
Yeah.
You've been throwing me under the bus. Go ahead now, Greg. Jeez, man. Where's my hubby?
Throw that girl under the bus.
Yeah, I see. My husband don't even have my back. It looks good though, honey. I love it. I really do.
Looks good.
All right, we'll come back in like, how much more time, Greg? Greg told me this will be done in an hour.
30 seconds.
And yeah, Greg said it will be done in an hour, and I think we've been in an hour. We've got this section done. So let's see how much more time it's gonna take to finish off the floor. Right, babe?
Yeah, we'll get there.
All right.
Woo, woo, woo. My wife is almost done. She's doing a good job with this floor.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Oh, sugar.
Oh.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Every time you record, I mess up. Guys, I was doing a good job before he started recording.
Look at this floor, guys. She's doing it all.
No, I'm not doing it all. I'm lying. We both did it together.
Yeah. You're doing good, babe.
Dang it, I can't lift this one up. Move your foot.
You got it. Yeah, let's see what you're doing.
Okay.
There you go. You got it.
Okay, there's on.
Good job. Thumbs up.
It's the last piece.
The last piece of the puzzle. Getting it in. See it here. All right. She's done.
It's done, guys. Looky. Oh, yeah. Say how you feel.
She's done!
Why are you flexing? I saw that.
This is my natural stuff.
Uh-huh.
All right, guys, that's it for this week. We've got the accent wall in. We've got the floors in. We still have to do a little bit of the painting and the molding left over. So we try to accomplish all this by next week, get this place totally done. So follow us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next week.